Every weekend up to Monday, actually, they announce what their price adjustments will be. So, like this week, whenever there's an announcement or they notify us of their adjustment and it's not in accordance to the minimum that we have set, then we are ready to issue a show cause order to that company. So far naman, lahat naman compliant, I understand. But in the circular, in the advisory, there are penalties, especially on their permits. And kailangan explain nila maayos kung bakit hindi susunod. At kung hindi ma-explain ng maayos, then that could be a cause for us to revisit their permit. Kasi hindi sila sumusunod sa conditions ng permit nila. And under the 110, may powers yung DOE. But can I have Rino lang expound on what are the other penalties under the oil deregulation law? Which will also be violated if they don't follow.
Since the executive order pertains to the implementation of the emergency power under the oil dereg law on section 14E, so it follows that if you don't comply with that exercise of the DOE of that emergency power, there is in section 24 of the same law a penal sanction. The penalty of that would be 3 months to 1 year imprisonment and a fine ranging from 50,000 pesos to 300,000 pesos. It's more of a criminal penalty for them.